Alright, you lot. Listen up. Tonight, we're diving headfirst into the vibrant, sun-drenched flavors of Goa with an authentic Goan Fish Xacuti. Forget those bland, watery curries you might have tried. This is a symphony of perfectly roasted spices, creamy fresh coconut, and incredibly flaky white fish that will transport your taste buds straight to a pristine beach. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's bloody delicious, a true masterpiece that absolutely everyone, even you, can master in your own kitchen, creating something truly extraordinary and bursting with flavor. Now, for our stars, we have glorious kingfish fillets, perfectly portioned. Then, our essential aromatics, finely chopped red onion, ginger, garlic, and vibrant green chilies. The heart of our xacuti paste demands dried red chilies, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon stick, star anise, poppy seeds, and a touch of nutmeg. Crucially, fresh grated coconut, creamy coconut milk, pungent tamarind pulp, and a splash of vinegar. A good quality oil and fresh cilantro for garnish are also absolutely non-negotiable. You hear me? Every ingredient plays its vital part. First, the kingfish. We're slicing these magnificent fillets into generous, sturdy pieces, about 2 inches each, ensuring they hold up beautifully in the curry without flaking apart prematurely. Pat them bone dry, because excess moisture is your enemy. Then lightly marinate with a pinch of turmeric and salt. This is your first layer of flavor. Next, into a dry pan, gently toast your whole spices for the xacuti paste until fragrant. Don't burn them, you donkey. Just a minute or two. Finally, grind them with the fresh coconut, ginger, garlic, and chilies into a glorious, smooth paste. That's where the magic truly begins. Right, let's get cooking. Heat a good glug of oil, about 2 tablespoons, in a sturdy pot over a medium-high flame. Once it shimmers, carefully introduce your finely chopped red onions. We're not just sautéing them, we're coaxing out their sweetness, caramelizing them until they're beautifully translucent and soft, perhaps a light golden hue, for about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir them consistently. Don't walk away from this crucial stage, because a good onion base is the foundation of any truly great curry, delivering depth and character. Now, it's time to build on that fantastic base. Add your chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies to the softened onions, stirring vigorously for another minute until they become incredibly fragrant. Oh, that smell is just divine. Then, plunge in that magnificent, freshly ground xacuti paste we painstakingly prepared earlier. Cook this paste down, stirring constantly, for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Watch closely as the oil starts to separate and shimmer on the edges. This is the crucial sign that the spices are perfectly cooked and their incredible aromas are fully released. Don't rush this. It's a game changer. Next, the moment of truth for our exquisite sauce. Pour in the luscious coconut milk, followed by the tangy tamarind pulp, and give it a gentle yet thorough stir to combine everything. Bring this vibrant mixture to a slow, controlled simmer, letting those incredible flavors meld and deepen for about 5 minutes. Taste it. Now, this is where you become the chef. Adjust the seasoning. Add a pinch more salt if needed. Maybe a touch of sugar to balance the tartness, or a splash of vinegar for that signature Goan tang. Get it absolutely perfect. It must sing. Alright, final stretch. Gently, very gently, place those beautiful marinated kingfish pieces into the simmering xacuti sauce. Don't drown them. And for heaven's sake, don't stir it like you're mixing